Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone notification sound issue after iOS 17 update. So guys, if you are using iPhone and have updated your iPhone to iOS 17 and after updating iOS 17 you have issue on notification sounds, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem, so let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, and guys after this you need to scroll it down, and guys here is the option of notifications. So guys, first of all you need to check all the apps one by one and make sure that notifications are on in your iPhone. So guys, for example, first of all I am going to check Facebook, and now I am going to see here that our notifications are allowed in this tab. And guys, after doing this you need to go back, scroll it down, and check your Instagram app, and like that you can check one by one easily. And guys, after doing this, the second method is you need to scroll it down, and guys you can see here the option is sound and haptics. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and guys after this you can see here is the option of text tone. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and guys after this make sure that it is not checked on none. So guys, if you clicked on none, then guys notification sound is not working on your iPhone. So guys, first of all you need to select any sound in your iPhone. So text tone is set only on notification tone. So guys, when you select anyone from here, then guys this tone will be set on notification sound. So guys, after doing this you need to go back, and guys after checking both settings, if still not fix your problem, so then guys you need to click on general, and guys after this you need to click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset. And guys, here is the option of reset all settings. So guys, you need to do reset all settings. So guys, by doing reset settings your data not be loses in your iPhone, and guys your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to update your iPhone to latest version iOS 17.1. So guys, in iOS 17 many of problems are facing to iPhone users. So guys, therefore they launched a new version iOS 17.1. So guys, when you update this version in your iPhone, all the problems will be fixed on your iPhone, and guys you will be able to use your iPhone smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.